point. Okay, so this is bearing, and we have to solve this. So the boy walks 5 kilometers due north. This is the point of the boy, say point A. He walks what? 5 kilometers due north. This boy walks 5 kilometers due north. Due north means north. This is distance 5 kilometers due north. This is the point from which he walked from. 5 kilometers due north. And there, at this point, which is 5 kilometers, he then walks 4 kilometers due east. Due east. Due east is a right angle triangle, making angle 90 degrees. Due east, this is his now current position. Mind you, this is due north, straight from the 4 cardinal points of north, due north, directly towards the north, straight. And from his position, after making 5 kilometers distance, he walks towards the east, directly on a straight line towards east. And this is now his position to the east. They say you should find the bearing of his current position from the starting point. The bearing of his current position, this is current position from a certain point. From this point, you make a straight line that will join to the previous point, like this. So the bearing, they say you should find from his current position, to the starting point. Find the bearing of his current position. This is current position now from the starting point, and this point is his starting point. Mind you, this is points. This is points. From the starting point, from north to this angle, to this line, is the theta, and that is the angle we are looking for, angle theta, and that is the A we should find. And how do we find it? Know that from here to here, he made a distance of 4 kilometers. He made a distance of 4 kilometers. So for us to find theta, also know that this is now a right angle triangle. The shape we form is a right angle triangle. For us to find theta, theta is equals to opposite, that is the tan of this theta. Tan theta is equals to what? Opposite over adjacent. This is the adjacent. And the opposite is 4 kilometers. Tan theta is equals to 4 kilometers over the adjacent here is 5 kilometers. That's the distance from this point to this point, is 5 kilometers. That means that tan theta is equals to kilometer, we cancel kilometer. 4 divided 5, we have 4 divided 5, we have 4 divided 5, we have 0.8. Okay, for us to get the theta, theta is equals to tan inverse of 0.8, and tan inverse of 0.8 will give us shift tan inverse of 0.8 is equals to 38.65. 5 degree, which is approximately 39 degree. So that means this theta is equals to approximately 39 degree, and that's the answer to A. So the second one says, how far is the boy from the starting point? How far is the boy from the starting point? From the starting point, this is the starting point, and this is his current position now. How far means distance. They are talking about the distance from here to here, which is x. And for us to find x, we do what? We know that this is right angle triangle. We use what we call Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theory says that the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the opposite sides. So x is the hypotenuse. S square is equals to 4 square plus 5 square. S square is equals to 4 times 4 is what? 16, plus 5 times 5, 25. X square is equals to 16 plus 25 will give you what? 20, 30, 41. And x is equals to square root of 41. S is equals to square root of 41 will give us what? Square root of 41 will give us 6.403, which is approximately 6.4 kilometer. And that means the distance from the starting point, this is the starting point, distance the boy made from the starting point is what? 6.4 kilometer. And that solves the question we have. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more. Share and like. Thank you very much.